everyone. So today I'll be talking about a very important topic. I guess everybody out of us know that how important our skincare regime is for us, right? And we all want a beautiful radiant skin. But one step that we always forget is our sunscreen, which is so important. I can't even stress out enough on it. People usually think that they need to wear sunscreen only in the daytime and during the summer season. That is the biggest myth I have ever heard, because sunscreen is something that will always protect us from the harmful UV radiations and environmental pollutants that we have. So one brand that I absolutely swear by in the category of sunscreen is Wow Skin Science, because I have honestly been using it for months now and it has proven to be the best out in the market. First up, it is non-greasy, non-chalky formula and it's so lightweight on the skin that I don't feel any stickiness around after the application. So this one particularly is my favorite because it gives us SPF 55, which is awesome for a sunscreen, as this gives a very long lasting protection. But I would still suggest you to reapply your sunscreen after every 2 hours when you are out in the sun. And it is very important to apply sunscreen in every season, whether it is rainy season, whether it is very shiny, or even it's very gloomy. Because UV rays are absolutely everywhere present, even in your homes. If you are not stepping out in the sun, then also you have to apply your sunscreen to make your skin much more radiant and keeping it protected from every harmful damages. First up, I would like to talk about the packaging of Wow Skin Science sunscreen. It comes with a pump, which is very convenient because we don't have to dig in our hands and put all those germs on our face. So it is very convenient and very hygienic. So the second most important thing that I really like about this one is the quantity and the packaging size of the product, which is very convenient to carry it in your bags and travel with it and reapply it after every 2 hours in the day. So this one has raspberry extracts, avocado oil and carrot seed extracts, which is perfect for all the dry skin girls out there because it's going to give that extra nourishment to your skin along with your moisturizer. So in terms of application, we should keep in mind to apply a dime size amount on our face, that is this amount. It should be spread evenly and it should be reapplied after every 2 hours when we are out in the sun. So lastly, I would also like to mention why specifically I chose Wow Skin Science only, because all their products are parabens and silicones free, they are dermatologically tested and they are very good for your skin.
Wow Skin Science has a wide variety of products in terms of their hair care and skincare range that you can explore by scanning the QR code present on each and every product, which will directly link you to their website. From there, you can read more about their products as well as shop from them.
I really hope you enjoyed this detailed review kind of a video. If you did and want me to shoot more such videos, then please leave your important suggestions down below and I will be seeing you in my next one. Bye bye.